Hello everyone! Today, we will tackle about rational and irrational numbers. The contents of this video are objectives, rational numbers, irrational number, and summary of the lesson. In this video, you will learn about the definition of rational and irrational numbers, identify rational and irrational numbers, and illustrate rational and irrational numbers on the number line. But first, let's try this activity. Can you identify which of the following is or are rational and irrational numbers? Great! Now, let's proceed to our lesson. Real numbers can be labeled in two different categories. These are rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can also be classified as integers, natural numbers, and whole numbers. Now, let's identify these rational numbers on the number line. A number line consists of positive, negative numbers, and zero. Positive numbers are classified as natural numbers, and natural numbers including zero are called whole numbers. And all the numbers on the number line are called integers. The term ratio refers to making a comparison of two different numbers. For example, 2 girls to 5 boys. These can be written as the following: 2 to 5, 2 is to 5, or 2 over 5. And since we are able to write ratios in the form of a fraction, therefore, we can identify these numbers as rational numbers. Meanwhile, rational numbers is a real number that can be written as a ratio or fraction of two integers. It can also be written in a decimal form, either terminating or repeating the same pattern of numbers. For example, 0, 1/4, 3.56, negative 9, 1.5555, and negative 3/2. On the other hand, irrational numbers are numbers that can't be written as a ratio and fraction of two integers. It could also be written as decimal form with non-terminating and non-repeating the same pattern of numbers. The three famous irrational numbers are golden ratio, pi, and Euler's number. Now that you have learned the definition and place of these real numbers on the number line, let's try to locate each of the following on the number line. But first, let's express each of the following into decimal form. First, our pi here will be 3.14. Negative 2 will be negative 2. Square root of 3 will be 1.73. And negative 1/2 will be negative 0.5. And since we are able to express it into decimal form, we can now plot this on the number line. And this will be... Hooray! You have successfully located all of the following numbers on the number line. So let's proceed to the summary of our topic. Using this Venn diagram, you can easily identify what are real numbers. And real numbers can be classified into rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can also be classified into integers, natural numbers, and whole numbers. Hooray! Congratulations! You have successfully finished the first lesson. Now you have the basic knowledge of what rational and irrational numbers are. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.